Welcome to setting up the Slack integration for UserVoice. Today we are going to go through the step-by-step process to get the Slack integration set up for your team, and we'll go through some of the features that you can utilize. So to get started, you will need to start in your admin portal, and you'll go to Settings, Integrations. Then you'll navigate to Slack, which will bring up a new page where you'll have the option to add a new workspace. When you click Add to Workspace, it will bring up a new tab outside of the window to authenticate with your Slack instance. And after you have successfully authenticated with your Slack, it will show your workspace here where you have the option to add a channel. At this moment, you're authenticated, but you don't have any channels added. Then from here, you can click Add Channel, which will bring up a new window where you can select the channel in Slack that you want to stream events to, the forums that you want to get events from to stream to that Slack channel, and the event types that you want to stream to that Slack channel. Starting with a public channel, I'm going to choose a channel, include events from which forums I want, and then I'm going to keep all of the events selected. They are all selected by default, but you can deselect if you do not want them. Then when I click Save, this will add these events to my Slack channel called Demo Channel. Now that I have added this public channel to my UserVoice integration from the UserVoice app, I need to still add the UserVoice app to this channel. For public channels, you can add the UserVoice app to the channel after connecting it in the integration, but for private channels, you have to do it before. We'll get into that next. So now I have invited UserVoice to this channel so I can start streaming events here. If you want to add a private channel to your Slack integration, you will navigate to the channel in Slack first and type @UserVoice to add the UserVoice app to that channel. And then you'll select to invite UserVoice to that channel. You'll get a message that says the UserVoice app was added to the private channel. And then you'll go back into your UserVoice instance to finish the setup of that private channel. To then add a private channel from the UserVoice instance, you'll go to Add Channel again. You will need to refresh the channels page to make sure that the channel that you invited appears. And now it is here. I added that to private demo, so I can now select that private channel, do the same thing, select which forums I want and any of the events that I want. So I only want these events to be streamed to that private channel. Once you're happy with that, you can click Save, and you've successfully added a private channel to the UserVoice Slack integration. Next step is just to run a test to make sure that your events are getting streamed to these channels. You can also add another workspace if your company has multiple workspaces, or add more channels like we've shown previously. You should now be all set up with your Slack integration for UserVoice. Check out our other articles on how to make the most of your Slack integration.